Hey, it's Shelly, and today we're going to make this envelope flip book. Super easy and super cute to gift give. You're going to start with one 12 by 12 piece of paper and just cut it into 4 squares. So each square is going to be a 6 by 6. And then I'm going to grab my envelope punch board, and at 2 5/8, that'll be my first starting marker. I'm going to create the envelope. If you don't have one of these, they're super handy. I use it for a lot of things. So I'll quickly run through this, and then I'm going to round the corners of each of the sides of my envelope. And even though we cut 4 6 by 6 squares of paper, we're only going to use 3 of them for this project. Once you have all 3 envelopes, you're just going to go ahead and assemble. And I decided I wanted the darker side to be the front, so we're going to assemble all 3 envelopes, leaving the top flap open. And then after your 3 envelopes are put together, you can go ahead and assemble the envelope flip book. So I usually get worried that it's going to come apart, so I use the double-sided tape, and I also use some glue, and then adhere the 3 books, one on top of the other, leaving the top flap open. On the very top flap, I'm going to go ahead and hole punch. And then I made some cute little pocket cards. One I'm going to write, my little happy birthday on it, and I'll put those on the inside. I made a cute little daily gratitude journal, and I'm going to throw that in there as well. And then I'm going to adhere one of the pocket cards to the front, and you're going to have to fold it up to make sure you know which way is the front, or which side is the front and which way you want it to open. So adhere that, and then go ahead and throw some ribbon in your hole punch. That way you can tie it together and hold the whole thing together. Ends up being super cute. You can put cash in there, you can put gift cards in there. It's a really cute gift-giving idea. And here's a little unboxing, if you will. I'll show you what it looks like, how it ends up being a cute little gift to open. Something different other than a regular birthday card.